Number 1. 1987 Dodge D250 SE, $2,100, Denver, Colorado. This 1987 Dodge D250 SE is a budget-friendly project truck. It features a recently rebuilt V8 engine that reportedly runs well, though the automatic transmission is non-functional and will need to be repaired or replaced. The odometer shows 24,000 miles, but it has rolled over. The body is mostly complete with no rust and only some dents. With a clean title and a solid frame, this could be an ideal candidate for a restoration or work truck build. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet C10 short wide bed, $8,500, Kent, Washington. Offered at a reasonable price for its category, this 1978 Chevrolet C10 short bed is a desirable platform. It sports a 350 V8 with a TH350 automatic transmission. While it starts up, the engine runs unevenly and is likely tired. There's rust in common spots, but nothing beyond repair. The interior is upgraded with a new carpet and seat cover. With stylish 15-inch wheels and a cool stance, this short bed C10 is a popular model among collectors. Number 3. 1970 Ford F250 3/4 ton, $9,500, Spokane Valley, Washington. This 1970 Ford F250 features a rebuilt 390 FE V8 paired with an automatic transmission, both with under 1,000 miles. It offers power steering and brakes, making it practical for regular use. The body and interior are in decent shape for its age. With its original farm truck character and freshly rebuilt drivetrain, this Ford is a reliable vintage workhorse, ready for duty or continued restoration. Number 4. 1971 GMC truck, $3,900, Milton Freewater, Oregon. This 1971 GMC truck is a former Camper Special, now fitted with a Cadillac 500 engine. The engine runs well, but the transmission is weak and will need to be replaced. Bodywork on the bed is already done, and the rest of the truck is straight and rust-free aside from some surface rust. Power steering, brakes, air conditioning, and cruise control make it well optioned for its era. Great potential for restoration. Number 5. 1973 Silverado 1500 extended cab, $7,500, Oxnard, California. This extended cab 1973 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is in excellent condition, making it a rare find. It boasts a new transmission, tires, brakes, shocks, fuel system components, and ignition parts. The blue interior is in great shape and the body is dent-free. This truck has never been crashed and is ready to be driven as a dependable classic daily or family hauler. Number 6. 1978 Ford F250 2-body, $7,500, Linwood, Washington. A well-built, performance-oriented truck, this 1978 Ford F250 2-body features a 460 V8 bored .042 over with flat-top pistons, Edelbrock intake, Holley 750 carburetor, headers, and dual exhaust. It's mated to a ZF5 manual transmission with a 4.110 rear end. It runs strong and is driven regularly. Minor rust and cosmetic flaws exist, but mechanically, this is a beast. A real driver's truck with modern touches like LED lights and Bluetooth stereo. Number 7. 1973 Ford F250, $8,000, Gilbert, Arizona. Once used by Grand Canyon Airport Forestry, this 1973 Ford F250 has a rugged history. It's powered by a 390 V8 and an automatic transmission. Mechanically, it's solid with recent replacements to the carburetor, fuel system, and fluids. It's rust-free with working doors and tailgate. This is a clean example of a long-lasting utility truck with patina and originality. Number 8. 1975 Chevrolet K20 Cheyenne 4x4 is $6,500, Grand Lake, Colorado. This 1975 Chevrolet K20 Cheyenne is a robust 4x4 with a rebuilt engine and transmission. It includes a 4-inch lift kit, new brakes, axle joints, and suspension components. The interior is in fair condition and it runs and drives well. With some typical rust but a solid structure, it offers great value as an off-road ready vintage pickup. Number 9. 1977 Datsun Lil Hustler 620 pickup, $5,999, Merlin, Oregon. The 1977 Datsun 620 Lil Hustler is a rare and increasingly collectible Japanese mini truck. This one features the original L20B engine with a 5-speed manual and has 154,000 miles. Equipped with a flatbed and toolbox, it has recent brake service, battery, and a Weber carburetor. A charming, reliable, and economical classic pickup. Number 10. 1988 Ford Ranger, not running, $850, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1988 Ford Ranger is a non-running 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual truck offered at a bargain. While it hasn't been tested or started, the body is described as extremely clean and rust-free. A clean title adds appeal for those looking for a restoration project or parts donor. Number 11. 1968 Ford F250 Ranger, $4,500, Kent, Washington. This 1968 Ford F250 Ranger features a swapped 460 V8 and floor-shift automatic transmission. It comes with a new gas tank, not installed, a carburetor kit, and fresh Ultra wheels and tires. While it does not currently run, it has solid patina, a straight body, and includes the desirable bedlock box. Ideal for a vintage restoration or rat rod project. Number 12. 1966 Ford F100, $4,800, Healdsburg, California. This 1966 Ford F100 offers great originality with a 352 V8 and 4-speed manual with granny low gear. It runs and drives well, retains a straight body with minimal surface rust and likely original paint. The front has been upgraded to disc brakes. Minor exhaust leak aside, this is a very usable vintage truck with strong potential for restoration or use as is. Number 13. 1968 Dodge D100, $5,500, Greeley, Colorado. This 1968 Dodge D100 is a straightforward driver-quality classic truck. It runs well, features a 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission, and appears to be in good mechanical condition. While basic in powertrain, it is reliable and simple, ideal for someone seeking a vintage truck with character.